want to get dirty? Manufacturing. You want to stay clean? Manufacturing. We've got something for everybody.
Students can be part of the manufacturing badge program and then present those badges during their interview and show them, like, I've done A, B, and C to prepare for this type of job.
Just helps in understanding how things are made. You can apply those concepts to other things. Welding, I never thought I'd do that. He taught us how to, and it was actually really fun.
Being able to tangibly see your finished product, that makes you feel really good.
I want to be a mechanical or aerospace engineer.
I would probably be a welder. My favorite thing about manufacturing is welding.
I'm going to RIT, pursue a degree in mechatronics.
I could see myself starting like my own business.
They are having a great time learning an excellent skill.